And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 108. Let's go over the final type tool. It's the touch type tool. We'll create some text. Let me just call that Illustrator and hold Shift when I size it up. You can find the touch type tool in this toolbox, where the type tool is. If you can't find it, press T and then right click on that toolbox. When it's activated, you can see you can select the characters individually. Just left click on it and then you can resize it. You can also reposition it with a left click drag. And you can rotate it. Rotation is at the top. It's this little circle, left click drag. You can also use the typical font parameters for each character now. So you can change the font family, the font style. And you can also adjust the size numerically using the properties. So it's a simple way to adjust already existing text, but then one character at a time. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.